This one is a heavy modded spec car from the factory. Scott Disick is back, bringing you guys in the trenches. 21-inch forged dual block wheels in the front, 22-inch forged dual block wheels in the back. Good, everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Ferrari Friday, to say the least. You guys see me standing in front of a Ferrari F8 that belongs to a very good friend of ours. Kai, you killed this one, my brother. This one is a heavy modded spec car from the factory. It comes with a lot of exposed carbon fiber. So the front bumper has tons of exposed carbon going through it. The hood intake right here in the front has a carbon fiber piece that enters in there. Like I said, factory carbon from the factory, which is crazy. So this is definitely a heavy spec vehicle. The F8 is a crazy whip as is. Obviously, if you're into tuning and you understand how it goes when you're customizing and building cars, when it comes to Ferrari, Novitec is the brand. It starts at Novitec and it ends at Novitec. This vehicle is equipped with a Novitec suspension, Novitec exhaust, Novitec cat deletes, the Novitec Tektronic and Swithtronic. Complete Novitec parts on all the internals of the vehicle. What we did is, on top of that, we ran 21-inch forged dual block wheels in the front of the vehicle, 22-inch forged dual block wheels in the back of the vehicle. And it's wrapped on Michelin tires. Again, it's a dual block, which means a two-piece wheel. Face of the wheel is brushed aluminum. Windows are high polish. And we're showing the installed bolts because we wanted that look. We wanted that tuner type of look to it. Super clean setup, black vehicle, brush polish wheels. Again, the stance is extremely important to us. So Novitec suspension allows us to lower this vehicle and have it looking proper on these wheels and tires. Some people like to go smaller wheels, but Kai is living in LA right now. We represent that LA lifestyle. So 21-inch front wheels, 22-inch rear wheels, staggered obviously, clean whip. I mean, he didn't go too crazy with it in the sense of no aero kit on top of the vehicle, but this car don't really need much, you know what I mean? It came heavy modified from factory with all the carbon fiber exposed parts, plus the Novitec internal goodies, and then the custom wheels, and that's it, man. You got a turnkey car. Shit sounds good, rides good, looks good. The car has factory nose lift, so the Novitec suspension works with the nose lift. You're able to hit the button inside, lift the front end up to be able to go in and out of driveway, so you're not rubbing your front bumper all over the place. And the exhaust sounds crazy. This shit is a monster. Kai, you killed this one, bro. We appreciate, again, the love and the loyalty and the support, and we appreciate all of you guys. We told you guys we're back stronger than ever. We got some crazy projects lined up for you guys. Bunch of episodes will be dropping, and there's so much more in store for you guys. Is packed as always. We got a lot of crazy projects in here. Scott Disick is back for some new news. Scott Disick is back. I can't tell you guys what he's back for and what vehicle, but we're starting work on it tomorrow. So we start his new project tomorrow. We got a bunch of vehicles in here. We just finished the craziest Mansouri Cullinan on the street by far, the coldest one. I stand behind that. You guys will tell me what you guys think, but again, the shop is crazy busy. We got a Bugatti in here from TBTFW and that whole squad. There's another Mansouri Cullinan in the works. Fenders, full wide body kit, new Mansouri wheels. This is the first time that we're doing this wheel, and it's the newest wheel to their, arsenal. It's a full face wheel. You guys will be seeing that shortly. I'm gonna give you guys a sneak peek of what happens behind the scenes and in our spray booth while we're prepping for this new Cullinan that we're doing. It's a white one, belongs to our boy Payam. He's a monster too, man. He's been in the car game for a long minute. He always comes up with the heat. So I'm gonna show you guys what we're doing. Follow me. I'm bringing you guys in the trenches. So here's a rear bumper of a Mansouri Cullinan that's being prepped for paint. These are the final preparations right before we paint it. And then in the spray booth where it all goes down, a heavy part of our workload and what we do here at Platinum happens behind these closed doors in this spray booth. Naturally, heavy work happens in the shop because it gets test fitted, modified, adjusted, and everything happens there for this magic to happen here. So they work hand in hand. But the finished product, the shine and the beautiful finished look happens behind these closed doors. This is a front bumper of the Mansouri Cullinan that we're working on currently. That's the driver's side front fender for Mansouri Cullinan. So these parts are getting prepped as we speak. They'll be painted shortly. Tomorrow we'll be applying the last set of clear coat, and then this car will start getting assembled. So it almost seems like a Mansouri factory out here in LA, but that's really what it is. We got a bunch of work and we got a lot of heat coming for you guys. So stay tuned, a lot of crazy builds. Again, we do this for you guys. We appreciate you guys. So we hope you enjoyed this episode and stay tuned. Don't forget to like this video. Go down, comment, tell us what you guys think of this setup, what you guys think of the wheel finish, and would you guys do anything different? Other than that, hit that like button, subscribe, share. Those things are what makes us get motivated and try to do more for you guys and keep filming and keep producing. Again, we appreciate you guys and see you guys very soon.